Hello guys, it's Lee here. Welcome to another video of our Selenium C# tutorial. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to actually confirm if a checkbox or radio button is selected or not. So this is quite a simple task. For this, we're going to use the web page here. So this is basically what happens when you come to this website. This is always selected, so Internet Explorer is always selected. So what we want to do is we want to confirm if this or this or this is selected. So we're just going to only focus on this. Now we're just going to check if this is selected, and it should display a message if this is selected. After this, there's going to be another video for if statements. We're not going to go much into if statements on this one. We're just going to check if this is selected and show us a message for that. Okay, just going to restart that page again. So this is always selected when you load the page. Now let's just go back to our Selenium here. Just going to add the packages we're using here. Okay, we're going to use the browser Chrome for this. Okay, instance of the browser of the driver. Just comment my code, navigate to page. Okay, so the URL here is this one. Perfect. Okay, if you've checked some of the videos, I've actually showed you how to use XPath. So we're going to actually use XPath. We want to get this in XPath, the name of this element. We're going to inspect. Okay, there it is in XPath. I'm just going to copy that. Okay, so what we are actually going to do now, we're actually going to store that variable under that radio button. We're going to store it under a variable called IE. So IE equals to driver dot find element by XPath. Let's just do that again. Find element by XPath. Okay, put that element in brackets. Perfect. So what we've actually done is that element, once we find it in XPath, we're actually going to store it under IE, under this variable called IE, and that is done. Okay. Next thing first, we're going to actually make an if statement to say if this is the condition, if IE dot selected then this is what we should see. So we're just going to make the console, right? IE is selected. So that's the message we're actually going to see if that IE is actually checked. The next video after this is actually going to explain the if statements, the condition statements in depth. So just have a look out for that one. Okay, now I'm going to build this. I'm going to start it. Okay, just forgot this over there and that over there. Now I can actually build my solution. Okay, the build is succeeded. Now let's start and let's see what is going to show us. IE is always selected, by the way, so it's always supposed to show us that message. Okay, now the page is loaded. Let me check if IE is selected. As you can see, IE is selected, Internet Explorer is selected, and let's check if our console gives us the message. And there is the message, IE is selected. By the way, I'm using this since I don't have an unit, so I would actually say that this was a success. IE is selected, and we're able to actually verify and confirm that a certain element was selected. Next up, I'm going to do if statements in more detail. So please watch the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.